Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I've got something that's going to make it super easy for you not only to add products to your store quickly and find winners, but to have your ads fully done as well. I make a lot of videos for Doba. This is Doba's Video Hub, and this is something I've been using a lot to do my product research in. And it's all about curation. They're going to give you different sourcing ideas, and they're all products, of course, that you could source immediately with Doba Dropshipping. So lots of influencer picks and all these different video recommendations and strategies, but this is the best part right here. Supplier showcases. You could even go down and drill into different categories. These are the same categories that the entire Doba catalog is broken down into. But basically the idea is that we're going to have these products that are ready to go, but we have video content done for you. So here's an example. This is a product inside of Doba, the divided snack box with lid, a little homewares product, right? Looks like you could sell it for about $50. It costs you $28, okay? Typical product that you'd find on Doba, but this has video with it as well. So we have all this great product imagery, we have product video, we have all the description and all the information that we need, and we could add it to our store in just one click, right? Really, really easy to add this product into our store with Doba. I've got tons of step-by-step video on how to do that. But the point of this video is showing you how you can find winners here. And when you want to go and start a product that's a winner, what's the first thing that you're going to do? Well, you're going to run ads. You're going to start promoting that product. Well, your ad is already done for you right here. Okay, it's literally done right here.
On either side to secure the lid that easily snap off like that. And then there are handles here so you can easily carry it as well. And I like that the handles fold down so it's easy to store. So opening it up though, this is what it looks like on the inside.
You get the idea, right? This is going to be a UGC video done for you. All you need to do is literally just press download, right? Download video, that's it. You literally download the file. You're now able to use it just like any other ad you would, right? You have it right over here.
Finish your review, this portable secure. Please recommend this, it's great. Secure the lid.
So incredibly powerful to go from no product to winning product and ad asset immediately. And these aren't just photos. They're the popular UGC TikTok style videos in most of these cases. I'll show you another example right here. So we've got the, what is this? The foot massager, the foot spa. Sell it for $130. It costs you $33. So you make about $100 every single time you sell this product. And it's got great product imagery. It ships from the United States. Over here it ships from New Jersey. So it's got all of the different imagery and description, right? Everything that you need to add the product. We can literally just press list to store. We'll go ahead and list this product into our Shopify store. On top of that, we have a done for you UGC high converting video. See that the different text on top, icons on top. I mean, they make it incredibly easy for you to make money. This isn't just a basic slideshow video either. TikTok style selling video where we're showcasing the features, high quality imagery here, high quality video, nice and sharp, showcasing that lifestyle kind of look and feel about how happy you're going to be to relax when you get this product. All I need to do is just press download video. I get the video file and it's ready to go. I upload that into, let's say, my TikTok ad or my Instagram ad, and I'm good to go. So all of these, you see over here, tactical fingerless airsoft gloves, a outdoor cooler. It's a high quality video over here for an all-in-one coffee machine. So you want to sell an expensive product, you're going to probably need to have some nice high-end video assets as well. You could sell this product for over $400, make almost $150 every time you sell the product, and you get this nice high-quality, high-end looking, fully produced video that you can use for YouTube ads or Facebook ads or marketing on your own site or through email or however you're going to promote your products. You have this video ready to go. All you need to do is just press download. So it couldn't be any easier, right? You have these high quality videos that are ready to go. So a lot of people say with dropshipping, okay, it's very easy. I could add winning products from Doba all day long, but how do I make the sales? Well, you need to have good ads. And to have good ads, you need to have good creative. You need to have good video. Here's another great example.
To being a full-time mom, content creator, in school full-time and working full-time, and how I don't go crazy doing all this.
So you've got it all done for you, right? Add this product to your store. Promote the product with the videos that you have access to right here. It's a two-step process. Add the product, download the video, that's it. You don't need to go and take a photo shoot. You don't need to hire someone to do editing. You don't need to learn any crazy video programs. You just get these videos done for you. Right? And you could use them across all of your marketing. So it could literally take you just 5 minutes. You go ahead and add this product to your store. You download the video. You open up TikTok ads. You upload this video. You link to your store and you're done. That's it. Even if you have zero technical experience, you could have a winning product and a trending video ad along with it in just a couple clicks. And we could scroll on and on and on, take a look at product after product after product, where you can have all this great high quality video that's literally available in just a couple clicks. You could drill down into specific categories as well if you wanted to use the category search. We want to do home and garden, things like that. So lots of different great examples. The bottom line is this is just one of many killer features with Doba, right? Winning products from your dropshipping supplier. Of course, you need that, and you're going to get that from Doba, but you're also going to get these high-quality videos that make it incredibly easy for you to start promoting. So doba.com/video-hub. The Doba Video Hub comes with your Doba account. All you need to do, click the link below this video, sign up now, jump right in, add these products to your store, download the videos, use them for your ads, and you have a winning combination to build a massive dropshipping business. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to leave a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. Otherwise, I hope this helps you make a ton of money, and I'll see you in my next video.